How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. I just wanted to show you guys a Mashua plant and a harvest of the tubers. Now, I know this is actually April now, late April in Ireland, so things have started to grow, and the Mashua is one of the earliest things to actually come out. As you can see here, it has already grown quite a significant bit. It's probably too late to dig it out of the ground, but I'm going to have to put it in pots, spread it, just to be able to plant it out in different places over the summer. So let's see how much of a harvest can we get. This was actually one plant, one tuber that I put down probably about a year ago, around June last year, 2017, and now it's April 2018. It's a little late to be taking it out of the ground, but we don't have a choice because we've already removed quite a few tubers, and there's just too many in this spot. So we'll have to make a sacrifice and take them out at a late time when they've already started growing. So let's have a look here. There you go. That's one of the plants. That's one of the tubers. As you can see, there's several shoots coming out of it. That'll take over several square meters of ground out of one tuber, and we'll probably hopefully end up about 30 tubers per tuber planted. That's into a deep mulch system now. It's lasagna gardening with about 15 centimeters or 6 inches of mushroom compost, and about the same again with wood chips above, branch mulch. So this plant has never been watered all year. As you can see here, there's a number of plants in it. Check out the amount of them. Look at that. We have roasted these and eaten them. They're quite nice. Oca is probably nicer. Our own preference. So you can see here, that's a tuber with the growth coming out. Same again, and many more. Check it out. Hopefully you guys can see that there. So we'll put these in pots now for the next couple of months, and we'll plant them out then as we go. So a lot of plants in it. Geez, there must be at least 30 or 40 in it. Check it out there. That's a plant right there. Probably about 2 or 3 weeks into growth in the springtime. But in 2 or 3 weeks, you're not going to know the difference. It's going to be taking over the place in a good way. Thanks. See you guys later, and visit our website, please. It's gardensforlife.ie, and please do visit our Facebook page. Thanks very much. Bye bye.